Daily beer review time. I score beers out of 100. I'm still in Udaipur again at Malibu. Today we have apple cider.
Yeah, apple cider.
It's the apple scarlet cider or something it's called. 330 ml, same 350 plus tax, so 420 rupees.
Yeah.
5% ABV. Around
420.
420. 420. Alright, so it's 5% ABV. Now,
Okay.
what we were talking about, they didn't really get introduced to you. Apart from Darshan, that's it. That's all the introduction they have. You can introduce yourself more. We know about the music you like.
Well, I am more from as a professional chartered accountant,
Okay.
right?
You can help us.
And a consultant.
You can help us
over the
cheat
years.
taxes. You know, people who don't want to pay taxes.
That's the wrong information.
That's what I asked.
Chartered accountant make you pay more taxes. They never make you pay less.
But what does chartered accountant get if they make you pay more taxes?
They comply with the
Government rules, regulations.
That helps you actually in the long run.
But like,
You pay the right amount. You are.
but at the end of the day, let's say people are earning money. They want to keep that money with themselves. And nobody wants to give it all to the government.
Absolutely, nobody wants to. But if there is a law and you break the law, then you give double the money
We don't want to
that
break,
you want to save.
we don't want to break laws. We want to like
Twist the law.
find a good way around,
Way
like,
around the law.
loopholes around the law.
Well, see, every law has some loopholes.
Yeah.
But I must say the government has also become very smart
Huh.
and they have blocked
The
most
way
of
to
them.
loophole.
So you have little leeway now.
Yeah.
But of course, people do it. My advice is earn less, but pay your taxes.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
And many of my
Be
viewers,
away from all the nonsense that can happen.
there are many young viewers I have. I have kids who are 18 and 21. I don't know how much they're earning.
You know
either.
what is the advantage of paying tax?
What?
You have white money.
Huh.
So if you want to, make a leeway out of not paying tax or something, you will end up with cash.
Yeah.
So the value of 1 rupee in white is much more than 1 rupee in cash. Right? So it's very important for the future generation, I'm saying. Pay your taxes, make your white money, and make a future that is really bright and solid.
Solid, yeah.
Yeah,
You don't have to worry. Black money will give you
tension.
tension.
Yeah.
Where do I store it?
Where do I store it? What do
In
I
my
do with
bed,
it?
in this
At the end of the day, you will spend it on nonsense stuff.
nonsense.
But white money, you will
Like
never
yours.
spend
With on
Spend-
alcohol
yeah.
and
and pay cash and go home.
okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Has an apple flavor.
Here's
no
apple
doubt.
flavor.
No doubt.
I just think it's too sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet
It's
a
like
little.
it tastes like honey. Good honey. I think it's tasting a lot like honey.
Honey and yeah, it's too sweet.
It's almost giving me. Have you had meads? Meads. Like that moonshine and all the meads are there, na? Like different.
Yeah,
mead
yeah,
brands.
yeah.
So meads are made by like yeast and honey. That honey is the main
Yes,
fermentation. with.
this is not giving me the right.
Yeah. It's. I mean, apple flavor is fine. It's
Fine,
drinkable.
fine. Drinkable, but
I mean, if you're not a fan of beer, oh my god, it's gone really dark. If you're not
you
a
will
fan,
not enjoy it.
if you are a fan of beer, you'd not enjoy it. But if you're not a fan of beer, you still want to come to this brewery while your friends are enjoying beer. You can have
I
it.
mean,
It's
one
much,
off,
it's much
it's okay.
sweeter. It's
One
much
off, it's
sweeter.
Okay. Difficult to chug now.
Yeah, it's also the little yeasty flavors are there. Yeasty flavor. It's a bit
Aftertaste is there.
aftertaste also like a bit bitterness of the thing. It's not a super good cider.
I will not rate it very high.
That's fine. You can rate. We are very honest over here. See,
Yeah.
things that are good, we rated good. Things that are bad, you just be honest about
Yeah.
it.
I will not rate it more than maybe 55.
I was also going to get something similar.
Yeah, not
Something
more
very
than that.
similar to 55. But I'm going to do it after I chug it.
Yeah, you
Alright.
chug it. I will not.
I am not an alcoholic. I'm just doing it for you. Maybe if he enjoys the next beer, you'll chug it.
Yeah,
You enjoy.
next beer.
Okay,
I'll
okay,
chug it
fine.
if
That's
I
fine.
like it.
He's going to enjoy this one.
But the chill is there.
It's chilled and it's very fizzy.
Very
Very fizzy.
fizzy, no? It's easier than that one. The one we had.
Usually ciders aren't this fizzy. I don't know if it's a microbrewery thing, it's a what thing.
But still, I mean, I think it needs.
The taste is, yeah. The fizz is
Me
great.
too.
I mean, I'm guessing, I don't know how many people from Udaipur watch this, but it's a good Udaipur brewery.
But
few others.
the place is very nice. You know,
It's a
the
nice
vibe
place, yeah.
the
is
vibe
nice.
is very nice. You know, the music is nice.
Yeah. There's fountains over there. It's open.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
Very nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
And especially coming from Delhi,
Yeah.
where you have got a 500 AQI,
Half.
you are in
It's
a
much fresher over here.
Oh,
Is it very bad in Delhi right now?
very, very, very bad. Really bad. Really bad.
In Bombay also it's bad. Like my friend came from Goa, she said Bombay's AQI was so bad, she fell sick. So I'm sure Delhi is just...
Delhi,
Very
she will be hospitalized if she can. See what's the
Hardcore.
AQI here? Let's see. What's the AQI in?
It's pretty fresh over here. Right? It's chilled. The temperature is so nice. I'm in like... I'm in
121.
it's still bad, but it's not that bad.
But still, yeah. I mean, compared to 500 in
Yeah.
Delhi or 400 in Gurgaon,
Yeah.
I mean, it's decently.
And so but not in your sweater. I'm in my beach clothes over here.
No,
But the
I
temperature
am.
is right.
This is a cotton stuff.
It's hot. Is it not feeling... still 20 degrees in Udaipur.
But
It's nice weather. I like
do
it.
you know in Canada
Huh.
what happened recently? In Diwali, there were people who were bursting crackers, and the AQI went to 40.
Because of those crackers.
And then they banned crackers. And here we are at 121 and feeling good.
We are stronger than them. You know, those white people are weak. No. My rating for this 57. You gave it 55.
Yeah.
I'm going to give the Apple Scarlet Cider at Malibu 57 out of 100. You're going to sip that. But I think crackers are allowed in America to burst a lot of crackers, especially
Yeah,
for the
they
4th of
do.
July celebrations.
So
Mexico, they get a lot of firecrackers from Mexico and
No,
Texas
so-
and all. Yeah.
So in Hawaii, what they do is they do it on the sea. So you are sitting along the beach in a restaurant or whatever you want, and in the sea they will put the small ships or
Okay.
boats and burn all the crackers in the sea.
Oh, okay. So like far away.
Far
Like-
away, far away.
So you can just see the
See the lights.
lights, but nowhere the
Yeah.
pollution doesn't come. All right. Little firecracker knowledge.
So we really enjoyed that. And
Yeah,
it
even
happens
Hawaii.
to be my wife's birthday.
When you did that firecracker thing?
No, the Americans independence.
Oh, 4th July. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You were there.
Yeah.
You were there this time. When
Yeah, this time we were there, you know.
But
So we had a lovely time there.
you did scuba and all, or no?
No,
Snorkeling.
we went for this Mandarin,
What Mandarin?
the fish.
Mandarin?
Manta ray.
Oh,
Manta ray, the fish. And
We hate manta rays over
and we went at 10 o'clock at night
Hmm.
into the ocean. We were holding, and the manta ray was just about. It touched my finger and
okay.
so we saw that.
They're like very
so,
slimy.
yeah, and they're so big,
Huh.
huge. But you just see them rotating all around you, like in front of you. Amazing.
Wait.
I haven't seen something like this.
You know the reason I don't like manta rays? I don't know if it's a manta ray or stingray. They
No,
kill-
it's a mantle.
no, but okay, stingrays are different.
Stingrays are different.
Okay.
They
killed Steve Irwin.
yeah.
Stingray. So I think
No
We
matter
have a-
they don't do that.
we have a beef with stingray. I don't think humans like stingray because they killed Steve Irwin.
Yeah.
Manta rays are more
Manta rays are
friendly.
harmless.
harmless.
Absolutely harmless. And we saw a turtle this bigger size, right in front of
We
us.
saw total when me and
Almost at the shore.
when me and at the shore, yeah. There wasn't turtles in Goa now. Turtles come to the shore to lay eggs in Goa.
Oh,
apparently.
I haven't seen.
Yeah, South Goa. That's what they said. When we were in the Caribbean, right, like to watch cricket,
Yeah.
when me and Vijay had gone scuba diving,
Yeah.
like I saw turtle, I swam behind it. Everybody else was like far away, but in
Oh.
scuba I just like started swimming behind a turtle I saw.
It must be a big turtle, yeah.
It was a very big turtle, and a wave came from the inside and just like it drifted us out into the sea even more,
Wow.
and we got scared and we had to like go back. Let's scuba dive, but it was fun. Anyway,
Oh,
next review coming up soon.
soon.
Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's some special beer you'd like to recommend, leave it in the comment section below. I'm going to try to hit every canned beer and every craft beer locally at first, and then beers all around the world. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.